My lovely office chair leg broke. I guess I'm really heavy, or landed from high altitude, or it couldn't cope with the stress anymore. I don't want to give up on it. After all, I had my legs broken twice, and the doctors didn't give up on me either. I must intervene quickly. First, apply pressure. Stay with me, you can make it. Stop the bleeding, cauterize the wound, then assess the damage. Take measurements, make a sketch, create a model, print it, clean it up. Perfect fit. Make sure the bone is aligned and all the arteries and nerves are connected. Apply skin tone. And it's on its feet in no time. I mean, wheels. What a quick recovery, woohoo! And 3D printing saves the day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Also in the comments below, let me know what you'd like to see next. Till next time, be awesome!